Filing KRA Nil returns is not a task you should pay someone to do. In this video, I will take you through 7 simple steps to file nil returns for yourself and your relatives in record time. If you watch to the end, you'll discover the most important step people miss in this process. Let's get to it. Step 1. Ensure you're logged into the KRA portal with your PIN and password. This year, iTax needs to verify your phone number, so input the correct number and the verification code from your phone to continue. Step 2. Once you're in, click on the Returns drop-down menu at the top of the screen and select File Nil Return. Step 3. At the Tax Obligation drop-down menu, select the first one labeled Income Tax Resident Individual, then click Next. Step 4. Verify that the return period is the first day to the last day of the last year. For example, because you are filing nil returns in 2025, it should show the duration between 1st January to 31st December 2024. If you got your PIN in the course of the year 2024 and this is the first time you're filing nil returns, then input the specific date you got the PIN as the return period from. For example, if you got your PIN on 25th February 2024, input that in that field. Then click Submit. Step 5. You will see a pop-up message on your screen asking you to confirm that you had no tax transactions for the selected period. KRA does this final check just in case you're employed and your employer remitted your taxes to them. If that's the case, click Cancel and check out my other video on filing KRA returns for employment income with a P9 form. But if yes, meaning you have no transactions to declare, either because you're unemployed or whatever your circumstance is, then click OK. Step 6. You'll be then directed to a page showing that your return receipt has been generated with a link to download it. Now to the most important step. Download the return receipt as confirmation that you filed your returns. In this country, someone might accuse you of not filing your returns, so you better be safe than sorry. But there's one final step. Step 7. If you found this video useful, smash that like button and click subscribe. You are now ready to start your business of filing nil returns for people who have not watched this. But for real, share this video with a friend, then check out my other useful videos on this channel.